I took it down to the trench, turned it around and brought it back up, and I was driving in electric mode, and it's fantastic. You put it in diesel mode and it's like, ooh, it's a noisy diesel engine. I'm definitely a convert to electric. It's fantastic going in electric mode. Okay, right, so we're in normal drive now, normal engine drive. We're actually reversing, we're going off down the river. But that's normal engine drive, quite powerful. And we'll stop the engine and then we'll go into electric drive. That's electric. Again we're reversing. And there you go.